Perched high above the ancient town of Jajce, at the dramatic confluence of the Pliva and Vrbas rivers, stands the formidable Jajce Fortress. For over 6 centuries, its stone walls have been a silent witness to the rise and fall of empires. The fortress was founded in the 14th century by Hrvoje Vukčić Hrvatanić, a powerful Bosnian duke, as a stronghold to protect the region's independence. Its destiny, however, was to become royal. In the 15th century, Jajce was transformed into the capital of the Bosnian kingdom. Its most significant moment came in 1461, when Stjepan Tomašević was crowned the last king of Bosnia within the town's walls. You can still see the royal coat of arms of the Kotromanić dynasty above the main portal, a gate that was later sealed with concrete by the Ottomans, a physical symbol of a conquered kingdom. The fortress was the kingdom's final bastion. Just years after the coronation, Bosnia fell to the advancing Ottoman Empire. Yet, Jajce held on, a symbol of resistance for decades more. It wasn't until 1527 that it became the last Bosnian town to fall to Ottoman rule, closing a pivotal chapter in history. Today, the fortress is a protected national monument, its sprawling walls enclosing a grassy plateau where a royal court once stood. It stands not just as a relic of stone and mortar, but as the enduring guardian of Bosnian history and identity. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.